Hi, this is Faye from Faye's Journal Emporium. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching today. I have a new journal I wanted to share with you and she will be available in my Etsy shop. It's called Whimsy and Botany. She measures 9 inches by 5 1/4 inches, has about a 1-inch spine, 3 signatures with 156 pages, and that counts the little flip tag and the little envelopes also. So this is made almost exclusively from DigiKits from Ephemera's Vintage Garden. The reason I call it Whimsy and Botany is because that's the name of the digital kit. So this is Tim Holtz fabric that I've used on the cover. It has some lace. It's not vintage lace. That covers the signatures and the edge, and then this is a fussy cut out from the kit. So let's get started. I've got it tied shut with a sari silk ribbon, and it's very long. I tend to leave them really long, so whoever gets the journal is welcome to trim that down if you'd like. The interior of the journal cover is a batik fabric in a really pretty green, and it's a soft cover. I use Peltex when I make this. I was a quilter before, so I'm familiar with a lot of things, fusible things you can use other than glue. So this is a fusible product. There's a little pocket that I made out of the kit. Here's another tag. These tags are from Pink Monarch Prints, and I've just added some items. There's journaling space on the back. Some items from the Ephemera's Garden. Here's a vintage postcard that you've got room to journal on. And then this is another little tag that I made using pieces from the kit. This is the first signature. This is a TN size. The pages measure 4 1/4 inches, and I wound up making 3 signatures and leaving them sewn in. There were just so many things I wanted to add to the journal. I don't have enough sense to quit, so it's very stuffed, as you can see, and lots of ruffles and things like that. It's tea-dyed paper. This is a image that I printed off from the Graphics Fairy that I thought just went really well. The colors were so nice. This is from the kit. Sari silk ruffle. Some washi tape. This little tag is again from Pink Monarch Prints. This is a vintage piece of ledger paper. There's another tuck spot and another tag. This is from a different kit by Ephemera's Garden, and the back is the lace, watermelon lace prints from Junk with Steph. And then this is a little card journaling card that's in the kit, and there's lots of journaling space. Some parchment paper. There are 3 envelopes that I've made using the paper from the kit, and they all 3 have the same trifold piece of avocado dyed paper that you can journal on. So I won't open all of those. I just wanted to show you that one. And then I've added some items. This is from the kit, and these are from Pink Monarch Prints, I believe. Use some vintage lace there. And then this is another, I think this came from Victoria Designs. I love this background, and I've stamped a little, I don't know if you can see it, a little butterfly here. I thought it looked really cute with the butterflies over here on this side. I said lots of journaling space. A little glassine envelope with a couple of tags and this is from the kit, and this is from Graphics Fairy, and they both have journaling space on the back. There's some lace here. This is centerfold. And on the other side, we've got another little piece from the kit that's a journaling card. And some tea-dyed paper. When the backs of these that are printed out, this is a digi kit from Tailor Made Designs. Another more tea-dyed paper. And then this is a idea I got from Wendy, from Wendy's Journal Adventure. And this is a double fold tag, and it folds out, and you've got journaling space on both pieces. And these back cards were from Pink Monarch Prints, and then I've just added some items to them. Part of those are from the kit in Fussy Cut. Some more journaling space, another tuck spot. This is from the kit, and this is from the kit. This backdrop again is Junk with Stuff. It has journaling space on the back. And then there are some little receipts, French receipts, that I got from My Porch Prints. And they're just tucked in. The colors just went really well. Another ruffle. Other side of that print from Graphics Fairy. Then I made a little stamp snippet to go with the stamp down here. I thought that looked really cute. I got that idea from Debbie Ann from Ephemeris Garden. It's more journaling space. Here's the second. And then this is a flip. I used some avocado dyed muslin. This is from a butterfly book. I made a tuck spot here, a little pocket, and then here are some more pieces from the kit. And this is from the kit. And here's another one of those little French receipts. And there's space on the back to journal on. Just tucks in right there. Another flip, another ruffle, another tuck spot. This is again from Ephemeris Garden from a different kit. And then this is, these little images are from the Scrapologist, and they're little children with flowers, and I thought they were really cute. And that's, of course, a Tracy label, and there's journaling space on the back of that. It's from my dad's ledger. There's another fold out, and again, this is from Junk with Stuff. And there's a avocado dyed tag in here, and I was going to put something on it, and I thought I've had so many things in here, I would let whoever purchase it so that they can journal on it or put a pocket there or do something else. Parchment paper, more tea stain paper. This is another image from Graphics Fairy with a fold out journaling space. Thought the colors went really well with the kit. Here's another tuck spot with some more journaling cards. This is from the kit. I just used a page and made a tag. And then this is another little tag that I made using some of the images from the kit. And then we've got another Sorry Silk ruffle. And a little clip. This was from the kit. A fold out. More journaling space. And the other side of that. And then I made a little snippet to go here. Thought the colors went well with that. Here's that other little envelope that I made with the paper in it. Did some stamping. Some more, as I said, lots of journaling space. This is the third signature. Got a flip out there, and then I used a stamp. Stamped, it's a lunar moth. And then here's another image from the kit. And then this little fairy is another one of the little girls with the flowers. And there's a botany label from Tracy. Another ruffle and some washi. This is another envelope from the kit, and this is, there's nothing in it, I just printed that out. There's some more images with cards in there that you can journal on. More journaling space. Here's another one of the double flip tags. And again, the background from this is from Pink Monarch prints on both of those. And then I've added things from the kit and just print out from the Graphics Fairy. And there's journaling space on the back of both of those. There's the centerfold. Avocado dye paper. This is another little tag that you can move around, and I did a little pocket with that, and there's a little journaling spot right there. I had a lot of fun working with this kit. It's really fun, really pretty. Some more journaling space and another little snippet. A couple more cards in there. Another tag. Journaling space on the back, and then this is a little tuck spot. This is part of the kit, a little catnip. Another piece of that vintage ledger paper. Another piece from the kit, another ruffle, some washi tape. And then this is that page again from the Graphics Fairy. And another envelope. In the back of the kit, I love this little stamp. And then there's a large journaling card here. That's the same as the image on the front. And then I made a little tuck spot here. And then this little bag is avocado dyed, and it has a bunch of little things in here that I just didn't find room in the kit, in the journal for, and I thought I would just let whoever purchases it have those, and they can put them where they would like. So that's her. I hope you enjoyed watching. As I said, it was a lot of fun to make, and it's a wonderful kit. Thank you so much, and she will be available in my Etsy shop. Y'all have a good day.